Have you packed? Yeah, me neither. For some, you look like backrooms. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with this. Just left my stuff in the locker. What the fuck is wrong with my hair? I look like a mushroom. I'm currently heading to the botanical gardens. So yeah. XOXO Gossip Girl.
XOXO.
Everyone here looks the same. It's like I've seen the same person multiple times, but like in the best way possible. They're all very good looking people. I am reconnecting with nature.
What you call that? Head over heels. No money, no family. 16 in the middle of Miami.
Somewhere in Vision, no, I don't care.
I currently have the hands of a man.
When you know, you know.
I'm starving. I have not eaten anything since like 7 a.m. I'm gonna faint. I just checked in. I'm now taking my bag from the locker and let's go to the room.
Okay, let's go.
You look like backrooms. What the fuck? Like it's fucking 7 p.m. I think I'm gonna make some dinner and well, I'm not gonna go to sleep because that's a bit depressing. I'm very stressed about the meals. Meal plan is not planning. I bought a salad that I can't put in the fridge. I thought I could use the fridge from the kitchen, but you can only use the fridge if you're gonna stay for minimum 2 weeks. So yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with this. And I also bought carrots. I'm gonna cook my dinner. I'm gonna cook some rice with eggs. I really don't want to go to the kitchen because that would mean that I have to socialize with other people probably. I forgot to say that. While I was walking, I came across these people who were giving this for free. It's not something I would buy, but they were giving it for free, you know what I mean? I'm in Copenhagen where everything is mad expensive, so I might as well take advantage of these things. I just opened the rice package. Well opened. This is so fucking smart. Let's make some dinner. I just ate, literally. I'm so funny, I know. currently heading to the Louisiana Museum, and it's, well, right now it's not raining, but it was raining, and I left my umbrella in the train station on the bench, and I now have no umbrella for my life. There's a painting called Coquette. I am currently searching for a place to eat lunch. I'm still in the museum, but they have this really cool like outdoor thingy where you can see the beach. I'm sat on some random stairs. I would sit there, but it's wet, so yeah. Bro, well, I'm gonna leave y'all here. This was my breakfast that I didn't finish and I paid for, so I packed it and now I'm eating it. I should have lunch, but I'm not that hungry. I wanted to leave the phone in a way you could see the view and me eating, but I can't. I should have brought the tripod. Well, maybe it would have been a little too much, but I would be getting the angles. I'm freezing. It's like cold enough outside to keep the food in a good condition. So yeah. Why is it empty? I've literally spent my days here, sat, reading, romanticizing my life. It smells weird. It comes with no fork. I don't have a fork here, so I'm gonna cry, bro. My back hurts a lot, like a lot. I've been carrying this thing around the city for the whole day and it's full of shit. It's currently 5:30. It's incredibly early for me to be having dinner, but the kitchen is literally empty. There's only 2 people cooking.
Someone cooked here.
And yesterday, when I went to cook some dinner at like 7:30 p.m., it was full. It was packed. There was a lot of people and I was a bit stressed. So I'm just gonna go now, and then if I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat these carrots. I always say that I want to move out of the country, but I don't know where to, because it's not that I love Spain, but I'm okay in Spain, you know. And I mean, there needs to be this thing that, you know, that makes you want to move there, and I have not found this thing yet. I'm very, very excited to go to London because of that, because everyone says
London is amazing, I want to move there.
and I think I've romanticized London. I've kind of like idolized it, and I say that I would like to live there, but I've never been there, so it's kind of like, girl, what the fuck. My expectations are up here. I hope they don't go like down here, because I expected too much from the city, you know. I'm talking about cities as if I were talking about men. The thing is that men disappoint me more than cities do. Let's go cook some dinner. I hope the kitchen is still empty. I socialized at the hostel. It was not the best socialization. Did I just make that up? I don't know. But I talked to a stranger, and that's something. That's progress. This hostel thing was not bad at all. Honestly, I would repeat it. I think Prime should sponsor me at this point. They gave me these croissant for free because it basically expired yesterday. This man came in the kitchen with a paper bag full of croissants, and it's not the best thing ever, and I don't even think I'm gonna finish it on my own. I don't really like croissants to begin with. But how do you say it? Croissant. I'll definitely miss it, I swear. I didn't think I would, but I will.
Somewhere in Louisiana, I don't care. I don't wanna know what the world outside is doing, 'cause it's just you and me.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
I just got out of Tim's room. I'm currently heading to New Haven. I think it's pronounced like that. I don't know. Yeah. I spent the whole day with a girl that I met at the hostel, like with my roommate literally, and so I did not film anything. I'm struggling so much.
That's not a secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO.